Very similar to a caulking gun. It's just a caulking gun, but instead of caulk, we have bone cement, methyl methacrylate, to secure the implants. This, as we wait for it to firm up, okay?
You want a 4-4 or a 3?
And we wipe off the extra stuff. Okay, good. There we go.
Okay, good. Hey, look at that. Look at this.
See, rock hard now.
Rock hard, bro.
Yeah, so it's ready. So that means that we're basically done. Partial knee replacement. It's actually a partial knee replacement of both knees. Left knee, right knee, medial compartment partial knee replacement. This is an Oxford partial knee replacement. The patient's doing absolutely great.